The next stitch I'm about to show you, I don't know the name of it at the time of filming. I did try to Google it, but I can't seem to find it, but it is existing in a pattern called the Tunisian Lace Poncho, available through Yarnspirations. To start this combination, it is just a matter of filling in the spaces. So what you want to do to start, normally I told you in the series so far, is that we never chain one when we're starting, but in this case we are going to. So you're gonna chain up one, and you'll see why in a bit. So you're gonna chain up one. You're gonna come to the next horizontal or vertical bar, and you're going to simple stitch like you normally would. So just going in, pulling it through, but you're not done. You want to chain one after this is in, and then move on. You're going to skip the next vertical bar and go to the second one over, and you are going to go in the vertical, pick it up, and then chain one. Skip the next one, vertical, and chain one. So skipping one and chain one, and you're gonna do that all the way until you get to the other side. Because it's an even numbered, the last one here will be the last one, and you want to turn it so you're accessing it like a regular stitch, and pull through and chain one. You're now going to return pass. So when you did this, you've just eliminated half of your stitches out. So what you can just see here is just far fewer stitches than what you had. So to come back, you have to then just chain one, and then pull through, and then chain two. And now you're gonna chain one, and then go through two. So one and two, one and two, one and two, and one and two. So you can see it left space. So now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna start the next one. So now that you've just eliminated out those stitches, so if this was just a simple stitch cast on, whatever, now you're ready to play with your pattern. To start the next row like you did before, you're gonna chain up one. And you're gonna come to the next vertical bar, so you're no longer skipping because you've already handled it. You're gonna come to the next vertical bar and simple stitch and chain one. So you're chaining one after you complete the regular simple stitch effort. So what do you think that chaining one is doing? It's filling in the spaces that of where there's no stitch. And then eventually you'll come to the end, you'll turn it, you'll get it so it looks like a regular stitch, pull through, and pull through one. Okay. So now you're ready for the return pass. So to return pass, you're gonna pull through one only, and then two, and one, and two, and one, and two, one, two, one, two, one, and two. So two one more time. See the difference that it makes? It's awesome, isn't it? So chain up one to begin, going into vertical, pull through, chain one. Next vertical, in, pull through, chain one. Finally you come to the end, going in the regular side there, chain one. Now you're ready to come backwards, so yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, and one, and two, one, and two, one, and two, and one, two, one, and two. So that's how you would do this particular stitch. It looks pretty awesome, and it's a little more flatter than the other Tunisian, and you'll see that it's probably a lot more relaxed. I can see doing a whole blanket like that. It's pretty awesome, and the extra chain ones that you provided allows it to be really quite awesome. So I'm gonna return this pattern back to the way it was, and we're gonna move on in this series.